Alright, time for start of another day. Yesterday was a fun day for sure. So, here's my sister's house over here. We got a fire yesterday. So all the room stuff is laying out in the yard now. So, anyway, up there it kind of got a little crispy up in there. Not too bad because it's still got walls and stuff up in there, but definitely issues that I got to deal with. So, anyway, another fun day in Tatro, the machine. Now I get to go out and work at my shop and see what's going on in my shop, which is flooded. So, we'll be back. Alright, now we're out here in front of the shop. So, this is all the stuff I pulled out last night. Boxes and crap laying everywhere. All these boxes are all full of racing stuff and good stuff. So, see how bad it is in here today. I sprayed all this stuff down, and all these cans of stuff are just soaking wet and racing stuff of mine. All this stuff was all wet. Looks like it's drying. What is it in here? It's 58 degrees out here today. Great. So, how much water is still on the floor? Looks like it dried out pretty good. Oh, my lake over there ain't that bad. I was figuring it'd be a lot wetter out here. Still water in places there, I can see. This dried out quite a bit. Good. We'll get the fans going again. Looks like that's got fairly dry last night. Still is. This is all stacked up to get out of the air. Still water in the machines. What I forgot to do last night was open up these drawers and let the moisture out. It'd be nice to give the moisture a path of escape. These drawer units are open on the bottom, so if you let air come up, they won't be too bad. Still a little wet under there, but pretty dry. I filled this tub up here probably 3/4 of the way, which is a pretty good size tub. That whole easily 2 gallons, if not 3. I pulled out, I must have did 12 or 15 of those I pulled out of here last night. It's here at 11 o'clock, had an hour of sleep. Didn't even have an hour of sleep yesterday. So it's still wet up under there, not too bad. It's still wet there, you can see it underneath all here. I had no place to put this stuff, so I just left it last night when I left. And you can still see it's all wet under here, but looks like it's still wet all the way up through there too. I gotta pull all this stuff out now. All this stuff here is gonna be yanked out. And it's still got moisture through here a little bit. It's drying up though. That's good. Alright, I'm gonna soak up this water and then I gotta start pulling more tile up. And I don't know what I'm gonna call these containers. I guess I'm gonna stack them over here where it's semi-dry right here. Now I have a dry spot. Fan's not happy over there. But yeah, fun at Tatro machine. You got the drawers all open. Hey, shut the fuck up. There you go. That's how you treat your fan. It quits making noise. How's it under here now? And the boards are drying up. It's good. I think I'll shoot some more air under there, Airflow dry stuff, pretty good. Kick it again. How do you get up here? Too much crap in the way. Yeah, that's how you do it. You make a path. It's wet. Every time you move something, it's wet. So for whatever reason, I'll turn the noise off. For whatever reason, this toilet decided to split. All the way down. It's cracked all the way down the front here. To, at least where my finger is, it's broken. You can see it down to here. This one's cracked further down. Looks like it goes all the way, burst just about all the way down that side. I'm trying to figure out why it did that. Okay, it's not attached to the wall. I didn't think it was. I have no idea where that broke. Mom said there was an earthquake a day or two ago, 3.6 or something somewhere, but I didn't feel it. I didn't think it was here in San Diego. Out in East Canada, they get them all the time out there, about 100 miles out, so that's normal for there. But anyway, I don't know. There's no reason for this to crack here, but for whatever reason, it broke. That was a brand new toilet in '65. It's pretty much sat for its life. It's only been hooked up for a year. Well, the tank split. Don't know. Oh, I know that it made a big mess. Oh yeah, turn the fan on. Some airflow in here. Anyway, nice and moist in here. Time I touch anything. Ugh. Yeah, all these parts were soaking wet. And all this stuff was buried underneath under here. There's lots of parts buried under here. Everywhere you turn around, there's old parts. Old parts being from the 30s. Some stuff's in the 40s, but pretty much 30s parts. That's what I deal with. Back when I was growing up, that's what I was dealt with. It's a 30s train here, 45. 33 to 36. Yeah. I used to blow these things up all the time. These things were weak. Yeah, went through a lot of them. And the 35, 45, so I used to burn them up all the time. This thing was like, get nice and rusty. We got original white paint on it back in the day. Yeah, it's all wet. It's gonna be rusty. I don't even have time to spray it. I just lay it up there and let it drip dry. All this stuff here is wet again, but like I said, there's parts everywhere through here. All this stuff is up in here. You don't get too much moisture. It's not an issue, but underneath there, everything underneath there is going to get a lot of moisture. It stopped getting wet about right there in the little corner right there, but this box here has moisture in it. Can't even move. It's all full of holes. I have no place to put it for now. All that's got to be pulled out, cleaned up, oiled up, put back in the box. You know, new box, or at least dry out the old ones. So anyway, fun day. So we got to deal with this today, and I'm trying to get power in my sister's house. We're dealing with that too. So back and forth today, dealing with burnt houses and this. Just a fun day. Wonder why I can't get any work done around here. I don't know why. Must be lazy. This customer job here, this all got wet right here. And it just drip dry. Yeah, it's fun. Alright, well, I'm going to start making some noise, get some fans going, soak up some more water, and get this piece of crap hole cleaned up again for the umpteenth time this year. So, alright, we'll be back later.